A few years ago, my mom took me to see a psychiatrist. She thought I had ADD. My education was really suffering because I had trouble concentrating in class, could never finish an assignment, and suffered from insomnia. After many tests, the doctor concluded that I did not have ADD, but I did have an anxiety disorder. I was so worried about everything and anything that it was interfering with my daily activities. From then on, I have been on a combination of fluoxetine and buspirone. Fluoxetine, also known by its brand name Prozac, is a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor. Fluoxetine's active mechanism is found within neurons and brain cells. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that communicates between neurons. It is synthesized and released from presynaptic vesicles. You can see it is these red dots here, and it comes out of these little bubbles, and it flows throughout the synapse until it either reaches a serotonin receptor or is reuptaked through the transporter. If it reaches a serotonin receptor, it becomes deactivated by metabolizing enzymes such as monoamine oxidase and then flows through the reuptake transporter. Fluoxetine works by binding to this reuptake transporter so that serotonin can no longer flow through. This is an image of fluoxetine bound to the serotonin reuptake transporter. In the first image, the hydrophobic interactions are shown, and in the second image, they are not. This is just so you can see a comparison of how many hydrophobic interactions there are, and that it is the main thing binding the fluoxetine into the reuptake transporter. This is how serotonin normally flows through the serotonin reuptake transporter. Fluoxetine binds to the reuptake inhibitor, causing the gating mechanism to become disabled and no longer able to transport serotonin. Fluoxetine is shown here in blue, bound to the reuptake transporter. Serotonin is released from the presynaptic vesicle, and it floats within the synaptic space until interacting with the postsynaptic serotonin receptor, because it has nowhere else to go now that fluoxetine is bound to the reuptake transporter.